Okay, so I'm under the car. We have it in fourth gear. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen this bolt to have better access to the top of the shifter, and I can move this shifter rod down here, and then I'm gonna do the same thing for the other rod. I can't remember which one is first, second, third, and fourth. Right now we have it in fourth gear. So anyway, I'm gonna try to film some of this procedure, and that should give him a little kind of shorter shifter throw. So we'll do that next. Okay, so I disconnected this shifter rod, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this cotter pin up here and move the rod down to the lower hole. Okay, so I moved it down to the second lower hole, and I'm getting ready to press this clip here so it stays in place.
Oh, I see.
And then we're gonna go back and reconnect the shifter, and then we have to do the same procedure for the other rod. Okay, so I used a different spring clip, which I think is going to be fine. So there you have it. That's one, and it's looking good. Okay, so I'm tackling the other rod, and I removed the cotter pin, and now I'm going to actually try to remove the pin itself. And of course I'm working one-handed, which is never fun, but there it goes. So now what I'm going to do is move the rod down to the second hole here, and that should give, again, eliminate that long throw. So it would be something like that, and then that gets attached to the side of the transmission here, this shaft. So hopefully this was somewhat easy to see, but that's a general idea. Alrighty, back in a second. Just point it and make sure that you're getting everything centered, so we're
Yeah. guys, here we are.
Yeah.
Get that on video in case she hits me.
Yeah.
Holy crap, lady. Wow. How'd you get your driver's license, man? She didn't even look. Oh, I really like it. I really like it. Instead of that, I feel like I'm,
Yeah.
you know? It's sweet, my friend.
Good.
Right there.
Mm-hmm.
It takes a little getting used to.
Exactly. Feels a little notchy, but I think it's just a matter of using it. Here she comes again.
Damn, watch out for
Watch
her.
out for the Q-tip driving.
Oh my god, no kidding.